Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
I will guide you to add live wallpaper on Windows 11 step by step. First, check your system requirements. Windows 11 needs at least 4 GB RAM and a 64-bit processor to run live wallpapers smoothly. Pick a video or animated file at 1920x 1080 resolution or higher and 30 FPS for clarity. Keep file size under 100 MB for faster loading. Disable battery saver and set your power plan to balanced or high performance before installing any live wallpaper app. Open the Microsoft Store and search Lively Wallpaper to begin installation. Download and install Lively Wallpaper using your Microsoft account. Launch Lively and click the plus icon to add a local video or GIF file. Select the file and press Set as Wallpaper to apply it to your desktop. Within Lively, set playback to 60 Hz or choose dynamic mode for smoother motion. Enable mute to prevent audio from playing with the wallpaper on startup. Fine-tune settings to balance visuals and performance for continuous desktop playback. In Lively, limit frame rate to 30 FPS to reduce CPU use and conserve battery life. Lower resolution or use 1/4 scale when running on integrated graphics to improve responsiveness. If Lively fails to run, temporarily exclude it from antivirus scanning and restart Windows Explorer to refresh the interface. Ensure display scaling is one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.